Hello friends, welcome to our channel Homoeopathy the Healing Power. Friends, in this video we are going to see homeopathic treatment for post-COVID syndrome, also called as post-COVID symptoms. Friends, homeopathic medicines have been working efficiently in this COVID-19 pandemic. As we have seen that homeopathic medicines have been used as an preventive to COVID infection. Starting from the first phase itself, in this pandemic, homeopathic medicines were used to prevent the infection by boosting the immunity power of our body. Until now, also homeopathic medicines are given to prevent this infection. Also, during the infection, many patients have taken homeopathic treatment as a first option. Along with other method of treatment, homeopathic medicines can also be given. And friends, our clinical experience and experience of patient have shown us that the recovery rate increases and the further complications of this infection, of this COVID infection, is also prevented by taking the homeopathic medicines under the guidance of homeopathic doctor at correct time. In similar way, friends, homeopathic medicines can also be given in post-COVID symptoms. So friends, in this video, we will see the post-COVID symptoms and its homeopathic treatment. So friends, watch the video till the end and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. So let's get started. Friends, what are post-COVID symptoms? Friends, even after recovering from COVID infection, patient still suffers from signs and symptoms, and these are nothing but post-COVID symptom or post-COVID syndrome. Now let's see what are these symptoms. Friends, for our better understanding, I have classified these symptoms as mental symptoms and physical symptoms. Friends, let's see the physical symptoms first. First of all, we have seen that patient suffers from severe weakness after post-COVID, and this is the most common complaint seen in patients. There is also breathlessness. Breathlessness is seen in severe to moderate form. Dry cough. In most of the cases, dry cough is also seen. Joint pain and muscle pain. Friends, this is also one of the most common symptoms seen in post-COVID cases. Along with that, headache and body ache is also seen. Fever on and off. Bitter taste in mouth. Loss of sleep, or sometimes patient even suffers from disturbed sleep pattern. Vertigo. This is also one of the common symptoms seen in post-COVID cases. Friends, these are the mild to moderate symptoms of post-COVID syndrome. But in severe cases, post-COVID syndrome also shows lung fibrosis. This is generally seen when the case gets more complicated. And here, the patient suffers from decrease in the oxygen carrying capacity of lung. So, patient experiences breathlessness for longer period of time. In high degree cases, mucormycosis is also seen as an further complication in post-COVID syndrome. Now friends, let's see the mental symptoms of post-COVID patient, or we can say the symptom related to mind in post-COVID patient. And these are depression, confusion of thoughts, anxiety, loneliness. Generally, this loneliness, confusion of thoughts and depression comes due to the quarantine period, or also during the treatment time patient is kept away from family, so all these symptoms may produce. There is also fear and fright. Here fear and fright may be of disease, fear of death, and also most of the patient who are already suffering from other diseases, COVID infection may complicate the condition. So these patients suffer from fear of post-COVID complications. Here, patient is also fearful about hospital environment. There is also anxiety, and this anxiety is seen in the form of like anxiety about family, anxiety about children, anxiety about recovery, anxiety about future or further complications after COVID. Sometimes patient suffers from anxiety of getting recover faster. Irritability and difficulty in concentration is also seen in post-COVID symptoms. Now friends, let's see the homeopathic medicines for all these complaints. Friends, we will be discussing one by one each medicine. We will see in which symptoms these medicines can be given. But friends, take a note here. Please consult a homeopathic physician before taking any homeopathic medicines. Please do not take any homeopathic medicines by your own. Homeopathic medicine AlfaAlfa. Friends, AlfaAlfa can be given in those patients who are suffering from loss of weight, loss of appetite, severe weakness and indigestion after COVID infection. AlfaAlfa will be very helpful for this patient as AlfaAlfa will help in boosting their appetite and improving digestion. Friends, we have already discussed a detailed video on AlfaAlfa on our YouTube channel. I am posting the link of this video in our description box and also you will find them right now in the I button. So please check it out for the detailed description. AlfaAlfa is very rich in protein, in carotene and in number of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, E, B6 and K with several digestive enzymes also. So friends, AlfaAlfa will be very helpful for post-COVID patient. It will improve their appetite. Also, it will reduce the weakness which is present after post-COVID. Next medicine comes, that is Phos, also called as Magnesia phosphorica. Friends, this medicine can be given in those patients who are suffering from pains and cramps. These pains and cramps can be seen in joints, in ligaments, in any part of the body. Here, Phos can work wonderfully in post-COVID symptoms. Friends, this medicine is also discussed on our channel. You can check out. I am posting the link in the description box and in I button also. Phos can be helpful for all patients in the post-COVID cases where there is a muscular pain, where the pain is relieved by heat, by warmth and by heart pressure. Phos can be also helpful for colicky abdominal pain, which is most commonly seen in post-COVID cases. Here Phos can work wonderfully and can reduce their abdominal pain. Ferrum Phos. Friends, Ferrum Phos will be also very helpful medicine for patients who are going through post-COVID condition. Ferrum Phos can be given in the cases where patient is suffering from anemia, that is nothing but low iron level in the body, fever, loss of appetite and cough in post-COVID cases. Where patient in post-COVID condition is nervous, sensitive, having loss of courage and hope of recovery. If Ferrum Phos taken for a longer period of time will surely increase the Hb concentration of blood, and this will ultimately increase the oxygen carrying capacity of blood, which will also helpful in maintaining the normal oxygen level of the body. Rumex. Friends, Rumex will be helpful in those patients who are suffering from cough even after the infection of COVID. Here, friends, one typical symptom is seen in these patients, and that is the cough in these patients get aggravated when patient moves from one room to the another room or when patient gets exposed to cold open air. Suddenly the cough gets started. Friends, we have a detailed video on Rumex on our YouTube channel. You can see it. I am posting the link in the description box and in I button. Rumex can be also given in cases of aphonia, hoarseness of voice and cough in post-COVID conditions. Ferrum metallicum. Friends, this medicine will be very helpful for post-COVID symptoms because this medicine has its special action on RBC and hemoglobin. So this medicine will ultimately increase the RBC count and hemoglobin levels of those patients who are going through post-COVID condition. Ferrum Met will be helpful for those patients who are suffering from weakness, dyspnea, sinking and fainting feeling in post-COVID condition. Friends, After the COVID infection, when patient is moving towards his daily routine, patient still suffers from dyspnea and weakness. This is the most common symptom seen, and Ferrum Med will be very helpful in this condition because it will reduce the dyspnea and the weakness. Also, Ferrum Med will be helpful for those patients who are suffering from loss of appetite and sometimes good appetite, like both conditions are happening at the same time. Sometimes patient feels to eat and sometimes patient doesn't feels to eat. So at this time, Ferrum Med can be very helpful for them to improve their appetite and digestion also. Also, Ferrum Med will be helpful in those patients who are suffering from irritability, confusion of thoughts, lack of concentration, changes in mood. When all these things are occurring in patient in post-COVID condition, Ferrum Med will be very helpful for them. Arsenic album. Friends, everyone is very familiar with this name arsenic album, as this medicine have helped most of us in boosting the immunity power in this pandemic. So this medicine can also be given in post-COVID conditions to improve the immunity power so that the high degree complications can be prevented after post-COVID condition. Also, this medicine is being guided by AYUSH department. So this medicine can also be taken in post-COVID condition. Bryonia alba. Friends, this will be also very helpful medicine for post-COVID patient, as it will help in reducing the body pain, joint pain, dry cough, bitter taste in mouth after the COVID infection. Also, in those patients who are having high thirst for cold water, friends, patient have one typical symptom in bryonia cases, that is they feel to take rest and slightest motion increases their complaint. If these symptoms are seen in patient, then bryonia can be very helpful for them in recovering faster post-COVID condition. Friends, we have seen that some patients suffers from high blood pressure and high sugar levels. Along with other method of treatment, some homeopathic medicines can also be given to these patients in post-COVID condition as well. Friends, Rauwolfia serpentina can be very helpful for patients who are suffering from high blood pressure. This homeopathic medicine will not only reduce the blood pressure, but also it will reduce the total cholesterol level. It will improve a sound sleep in patient, and also it has cardioprotective action. So it will ultimately be very helpful for post-COVID patient. Friends, we have discussed this video on our channel. I am posting the link in the description box and in I button. Friends, in the similar way, for those patients who are suffering from high sugar levels, Syzygium jambulanum can also be again the most beautiful medicine for these patients. It will not only reduce the high blood sugar level, but also it will reduce the sugar levels in urine and high specific gravity of urine. Friends, we have also discussed this medicine on our channel. I am posting the link in the description box and in I button. Please check it out. Friends, for those patients who are suffering from lack of sleep, from disturbed sleep due to continuous thinking, due to confusion in thought and irritability, homeopathic medicine Passiflora will be also very helpful for them. Passiflora will induce a normal sleep pattern. Again, this medicine is discussed on our channel. I am posting the link in the description box and in I button. Friends, these were the homeopathic medicines for physical symptoms. Now let's see what can be done with the mental symptoms. Friends, homeopathic medicine acts on mind and body. So the above discussed medicine will also reduce the physical symptom, and also it will help to calm down the mind of patient. Changes in lifestyle and developing a positive attitude towards life is very important in post-COVID patients to get relief from their mental symptoms. But what are those changes? Friends, I have discussed 12 tips to stay mentally fit in this COVID-19 pandemic. These tips will be very helpful for post-COVID patient also. Friends, I am posting the link of this video in the description box and in the I button. Please check it out. These tips will surely improve your positive attitude towards life, and it will help you to recover faster. So friends, this is all about homeopathic treatment in post-COVID syndrome. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comments section given below. Like and share this video as much as possible. Let everyone gets benefited from this video. Subscribe the channel. Meet you soon. Thank you for watching.